honestly, how does that, like, I don't even know how my neighbor deals with their dogs. They're so annoying. Hi. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video, part of my 31 days of Halloween. This is my 80s neon look. I updated it a little bit for, you know, the times nowadays, and I wish I had some fishnets to put on my hands or on my legs to really make this look, but this is what I came up with for you guys today. Grab your brightest clothes, your brightest makeup, and some hoop earrings, and you are good to go on this costume. If you guys want to see how I got this makeup for my 80s look, part of my timeless series, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, we're starting off with the brows as we have been doing, and I'm just going to fill them in, and then I'm going to use some Tarte Shape Tape to shape out my brows and also as a base for the eyeshadow. The eyeshadows I'm going to be using for this whole tutorial are, well, I did use a pigment or two, but I'm going to be using this palette from Lorac. This is the Neon Lights palette. I'm taking the hot pink shadow and I am literally blowing it out all over my eye in a super smoky eye. I placed some orange at the inner corner and into the brow, and then I created like a quarter cut crease and placed the yellow shadow and then added some of the neon pigment from Sugar Pill. I'm then going to add a yellow eyeliner and a black eyeliner from Tarte. I'm not winging this one out. I'm kind of keeping that for the shadow to do for me. I'm going to add some mascara and some lashes, and then we're going to move on to face. So for the face, I'm applying a Too Faced Hangover Primer, Cover FX Blurring Primer, and then my You Are Forever Undercover Foundation, and the Tarte Shape Tape again, but this time to highlight my whole face. I'm going to blend that all out, and then we're going to set everything. I'm going to set everything super lightly because we are going to be using a pigment on our face, and I want to make sure that it's going to stick. We'll get to that in just a sec. I'm going to bronze up my face first and then add some of this really pretty pink blush from Jill Stewart. I'm then going to take a blending brush and just blend out that pink all over the eyes. Like I said, super exaggerated. This is the MAC pigment in True Cerulean. I'm going to add this all over the sides of my face, kind of in like the highlight area and into the pink. And then I'm using Albatross, which has kind of like a neon-y green, like chromatic tone to it, and it's super pretty. I'm adding this all over the highlight areas. And then for lips, I'm using a Charlotte Tilbury lip liner and then a Kat Von D liquid lipstick, and I'm not sure what happened to that clip. I couldn't find it, but it was a Kat Von D lipstick. And this is the final look. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, that's it for this neon 80s makeup. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching. If you like this look, please give it a thumbs up. As always, subscribe to me right here and check out all my other videos right here. Love you guys, and I will see you in the next video.